So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and fix ChatGPT voice chat if the voice chat isn't working. Now, sometimes you may run into this problem. It's really just dependent. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and make sure you're hitting on the right voice chat option. Sometimes if you hit this microphone or this microphone on your keyboard, it might not be giving you voice chat. Sometimes you might have to tap on that little option right here to bring you into a voice chat option. Now, you might also want to try going through and try updating the ChatGPT application or refreshing the website. So go inside of your website, go inside of your app store if you have it, and just search up ChatGPT and try going through and removing and basically updating ChatGPT if there is an option for it. Sometimes you might also run into a problem where your settings application or your settings of that app kind of are a little funky. So what you might have to try doing here is to go inside of your settings application here, scroll down until you find the apps portion, scroll over until you find ChatGPT right here, and go ahead and enable or disable your microphone. So go through enable or disable your microphone option. Sometimes you might have to allow it. That could be another thing. That's another way to kind of fix this problem. If that's still not working, you can also try going through and restarting your particular device. So hold down what you need to restart your device, go and see if that ends up fixing it. And that's another really easy way to go ahead and fix that problem. So those are pretty much the main ways to go ahead and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.